Today's video is Swooping Bird Cameron Ungrounds Wasp / Grounded. It was requested by Jboy the Cool Guy 224. Wasp Liam, you are ungrounded forever. You can do whatever you want.
Thank you.
So much Swooping Bird Cameron, you're the best.
You're welcome. Yes!
I unground Wasp Liam.
Look,
My normal clone, Swooping Bird Cameron ungrounded me.
no.
You're still grounded? Now go to your room right now. Hey. Swooping Bird Cameron, how dare you unground my Wasp clone? You know that he deserves it for farting in Aaron's room. That's it. Go home right now while I call your normal clone about this. No 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 no.
No.
When my Swooping Bird clone got home. My Swooping Bird clone, how dare you unground Wasp Liam? You know that he deserves it for farting in Aaron's room. That's it. You are grounded for 12 weeks. Go to your room right now. Hey, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.